Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can you use vent inside SolidWorks sheet metal. So as the name indicates, vent is mostly used inside SolidWorks sheet metal like you have ever seen in UPS and somewhere else. You might have seen probably, okay? But how can you use? Let me first draw a sketch for it and make it normal. Just draw let me create a vent over here, this one. Let me draw something like this. Now draw and again draw a line from here and first you have to make a sketch, okay? And first you have to make a sketch like this and just execute the sketch. Now what to do, I will come to vent. Once I come to vent, so here already it has taken the boundary. So let me clear the section, come to boundary, and this is my boundary. See, now geometry face, and here what to do, and ribs. So these are my ribs, okay? This one, this one, this one, and this one. So these are my ribs, and you can assign. Right now I think it is rectangular. Let me keep it 4. See, it's squeezed, and in sphere I will choose these two portions. See, and just confirm it for now. So hopefully you got the point. So sample is, this is almost used where you wanted to fit a fan or something like, so you must create a vent there. And okay, let me go for the flat pattern. See, it will look like this. Again, come to flat pattern. So hopefully you understand how can you use the vent inside SolidWorks sheet metal. And thanks for watching. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Probably. Thanks for watching again.